Hi, I'm Lou Frutuoso from Standard Manufacturing. Today I have here the Standard Manufacturing S333. It has a cylinder that accepts 8 rounds of 22 Win Mag, and what makes this gun extremely unusual, it's a double-barreled revolver. So you can load the gun with 8 rounds of ammunition. Each time you pull the trigger, which we're going to talk about in a minute, it shoots 2 bullets at a time. That's 2 there, second set of 2, third set of 2, fourth set of 2. So it shoots 8 rounds in about 3 seconds. This gun is designed to be the ultimate personal protection gun. And if you want to mix up what you put in each of the chambers with birdshot and bullets, you would be getting 120 pellets of number 12 shot. It's an extremely reliable gun. It's because of the redundancy of the inherent design of a revolver, but also the redundancy of having 2 firing mechanisms with it. And again, it's a 22 Win Mag, and it also has an integral blade safety. And this is designed for personal protection in an emergency. The trigger pull is about 9 pounds. It's ideal for a woman to carry or a man to carry. When there's an emergency and you're being accosted, this is designed to be the most reliable firearm that we can think of. It's made by Standard Manufacturing, the same people who make the DP-12, also the people who make the single action revolver, and also the 1911. So the build quality is there. The design is really good for protecting you in an emergency, and the retail price is $369, and the website where you can get more information is www.stdgun.com.